Now we start a next article and it is self-induction. What is self-induction? Self means because of own. Self-induction. Listen, when current is passed through a coil and then EMF is induced in the same coil, it is called as self-induction. Self-induction means the phenomenon of production of EMF in a coil due to change in current in same coil is called as self induction. Means when we pass the current through one coil, means current through a coil, then EMF is induced in the same coil. That phenomena is called as self-induction. Now here we consider one current carrying coil. Consider. So this is a current carrying coil. So here positive, negative, we send some current here. So I can consider here key here. So when we send the current through this coil, then EMF is induced in the coil. It is called as self-induction. Now when we send the current here, then magnetic field is produced and magnetic flux associated with the coil changes, and because of that EMF is induced. And that magnetic flux proportional to the current. The magnetic flux depends on the current. More the current in the coil, more the magnetic flux. So here magnetic flux proportional to the current. So we can write here a constant. I write constant L. So L is a constant and it is called as where. So I can write it here. So where L is constant and called as coefficient of self-inductance or self-inductance. Self-inductance. L is self-inductance. Hence, I can write here EMF induced is. So we know the formula of EMF induced is E is equal to d phi by dt. So I can substitute this phi. So minus d phi by dt, I can write minus d by dt of L into I. Now L is a constant, we can take it out. So L, so minus L di by dt. So E is equal to this formula we get. So E is equal to minus L di by dt. Okay. So in another word, so this EMF opposes this change in current. So here in magnitude, so in magnitude we can write E is equal to L di by dt. So here we get this formula. Hence I can write a formula of L is equal to E upon di by dt. So this is a formula of self-inductance. So self-inductance is L. So we can write SI unit also. SI unit of L. Now see here, unit of E is volt. Then unit of I is current. Sorry, ampere. Volt divided by ampere. Divided by time is second. So volt divided by ampere into second. So I can write like this way also, volt divided by ampere into this second. So volt by ampere. Volt means unit of potential, ampere means unit of current. So here unit of potential is volt and unit of current is ampere. So potential divided by current is a resistance. So volt divided by ampere is also unit of resistance and it is ohm. So we can write here ohm and this second as it is. ठीक है. So I can write like this way in a symbolic form, ohm second, and it is also called as Henry. So unit is Henry here. So you note one thing here. So I can write it here to manage space, ohm second, and which is equal to Henry. So Henry is the name of scientist. So symbol we can write it by capital H. So this is the SI unit. You can use Henry, you can use ohm second, or you can use volt per amperes into second. Okay. Now we can write a definition of this self inductance. Definition of self inductance. So you can write definition by this formula. So ratio of E and di by dt is called as self inductance L. So definition of self inductance L we have to write here. So the ratio of, we can write here, the ratio of E is what? EMF induced in a coil. The ratio of EMF induced in a coil to the di by dt is what? It is rate of change of current to the rate of change of current in same coil is called as self inductance. It is also called as coefficient of self inductance. Self inductance or coefficient of self inductance. So here we learn self induction article. I hope everyone understood this self inductance article.